mga ambitious. Tayo ay aarangkada. Tayo ay aangat. Tayo ay isang bansa, isang galaw, at isang panawagan for inclusion.
Today's celebration reminds us how far we have come, and most importantly, how far we shall keep going together. Now, in the many tomorrows, we will keep walking by each other's side.
Let the angels walk begin.
Importante ito para maramdaman namin lahat na sa autism family na hindi kami nag-iisa.
Sa part po namin na security, sinisigurado po namin na approachable kami at minimake sure po namin na parati kami handa sa pag-assist po sa kanila.
We needed to make sure that they feel safe and secure inside our mall premises.
To express yourself, being kind to anyone, it helps us to communicate more effectively to anyone.
As a first-time attendee of this Angels Walk for the community, we will become more patient with the autism community.
Ang advocacy natin na nag-umpisa sa mga walks dito sa SM ay nagkakaroon na ng bunga. Dahil po lumalabas tayo at pinapakita natin ang suporta natin sa mga decision makers both in the private and the public sector, talagang nagkakaroon na ng mga pagbabago.
It is our way of showing that we care, that SM cares particularly for all our customers, for everybody, each and everyone who comes into our malls.
Inclusion means action.
Being mindful,
Acceptance.
Equal opportunities for all.
Be seen and heard.
Awareness.
Safe.
Mall for all.